Have you ever been cooking rice and it went bad, as in it was too soft? Well, try this weekend treat, couscous rice. Couscous to the rescue. Couscous is a grain that can be had at your supermarket or your health food store. Try adding some couscous to your rice if it's too soft. Be sure to do this before you take it off the stove. Thanks to David, he saved the day. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.